Hey folks, Robert H here. Going to be a quick recap. I just want to show you guys the fact that I didn't trade today. I was here at the open, bright and early, pre-market. I was around till about 11:30 noon, stepped away, came back at 2. And honestly, there was just no setups. I've seen this story before. When stocks are looking like this, engulfing after engulfing, or alternating colors like that, that's chop. I don't want to get involved in this garbage. This is unpredictable stuff. Andrew got involved down here, revenge trading this. And if one thing Andrew's taught me is that stay away from, 1, learn to identify chop. 2, stay away from it. That's half the battle right there. You want to be involved in clean A1 setups, not this B2, C3 garbage here, and just piddling away your chips, right? Think about it like poker. Do you call with Queen 7, or do you just fold when you're given the chance? Right? It's the same type of deal. And there's really 3 positions if you listen to someone what the pros say, right? You can be long, you can be short, you can be flat. And quite honestly, I prefer to be flat. Right? If the setup's not there, I'd rather be flat because that gives me use of my buying power. I'm not locked into some trades. And 2, I'm thinking objectively because when you're in positions, you know, that's when you're analyzing, assessing under stress or duress or whatever, right? And it doesn't allow you to think objectively or neutrally, right? So when you're flat, you just have more freedom to do more things. And as Andrew always says, right, live to trade another day. I saw this today and I just said, you know what? Do I really want to risk it? The probability of having a small red day is quite high. Am I going to risk that just to try to chase some micro green or something? I said, no, I'm going to live to trade another day. It's capital preservation, right? So when I look back on my calendar this month, today's going to be black. It could have been red. In my mind, that's a win, right? And, you know, you can't control the number of red days you have. All you can do is control the size, right? Just the size, not the frequency. So today I swapped out potentially a red day for a black one, right? You don't have to trade every single day if the setups aren't there. And just learn to identify this garbage and don't try to gamble on stuff like this. I mean, at the close it was somewhat tradable if you did some of the sympathy plays like Cron or CGC, but it's not my cup of tea, and this was trash. So if you don't believe me, you can ask anybody who lost money today getting involved in this stuff, or just not even the money, but then they were just involved in the stressful trading, which to me is completely avoidable and unnecessary. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you guys don't like it, give it a thumbs down.